We can travel to the past, but how? Do you know that if you are sent to a planet 3000 light years away from the Earth, what will you see from there by looking at the Earth through a powerful telescope? You will be surprised to hear the answer. Therefore, you are requested to watch this interesting and informative video of Infoverse till the end. Welcome to the Infoverse. If you look at the Earth through a powerful telescope from a planet that is 3000 light years away from the Earth, you will see the period on the Earth that used to be about 3000 years ago. That's the period when the ancient Egyptian civilization was here. It was inhabited and the construction of pyramids was going on, which means that this powerful telescope will work as a time machine for you. Of course, you will not be able to go to the 3000 years old era, but you will definitely be able to see it. Now, leaving the world of ideas, let's know how this can be possible in reality. Look carefully at this machine. It's a telescope capable of looking into the past of galaxies, stars, and planets billions of light years away from the cosmic world. This telescope is named after James Aaron Webb, one of the founders of the American space program Apollo. It was developed by thousands of engineers and hundreds of scientists from 14 countries for 30 years of continuous work and $10 billion. It's the most powerful and complex telescope in the world so far, which can see the events that happened in the universe billions of years ago. This is the reason why some scientists are calling it a time machine. How and what can we see in the past? Before knowing the answers to these questions, it's important to know how we see things. When we enter a dark room, even when with our eyes open, we don't see anything. But as soon as the light is turned on, everything starts to be seen. It means that when the room was dark, all the objects were still in their place, but we couldn't see them. But when the light was turned on, they hit the object and reached our eyes. So we started to see everything. That's to see anything. It's necessary to have light. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers, so it doesn't take much time to spread in a small room. But when this light spreads in such a big universe, it takes time to go from one place to another. The distance traveled by light in 1 hour is called 1 light hour. Similarly, the distance traveled by light in 1 year is called 1 light year. Distance in space is always counted in light hours and light years. The distance between the moon and the earth is about 3,84,000 kilometers. Light covers this distance in 1.25 seconds, which means that the moon we are seeing is its 1.25 seconds old reflection. Saturn is a planet of our solar system that travels about 16 million kilometers from the Earth. Light travels this distance in about 1.5 hours, which means that the distance between Saturn and Earth is 1.5 light hours, which means that even if it's destroyed, we will still be able to see it in its correct state for 1.5 hours. Our galaxy is 1,25,000 light years wide. It will take 1,25,000 years for light to reach from one corner of our galaxy to another. But the surprising thing is that there are countless galaxies in the universe. But our eyes cannot see them because light is so far away. It's so dim that our eyes cannot capture this light. That's why a telescope is used to see these planets and galaxies. The telescope reflects even a little light at a focus point with the help of its curved mirror, due to which this light is multiplied. The more light a telescope collects, the more things it can see in space. The Hubble telescope, which was launched in 1990, can also see galaxies that are 10 billion years away from our solar system. This system is also called the deep field. If possible, then what was the need to make the James Webb telescope? The James Webb telescope is capable of collecting 1 million times more light than the human eye. The Hubble telescope helped scientists discover the age of the universe, the rate of its expansion, and also celestial bodies like moons, black holes, and exoplanets, but it had no drawback: all the images it captured. The images were getting blurred and reaching the scientists, due to which the scientists were not able to draw any specific results. To solve this problem, the James Webb telescope was launched on December 25, 2021. The light of galaxies billions of years away is transformed into infrared light when it reached us, which is impossible to see with the human eye. The Hubble telescope observes light in the optical spectrum. This is the reason that this telescope cannot observe infrared light properly, while the James Webb telescope observes light in the infrared spectrum. Infrared cameras such as MIRI and NIRCam used in the James Webb telescope can observe infrared light with ease. This telescope not only solved these problems but also made a lot of alarming revelations. To know about its recent discovery, you must watch this valuable and informative video of Knowledge Wave. The link is in the description. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next amazing video of Infoverse. Until then, goodbye.